Hello, my name is Crile Wood Needle Holder. And today's device is a 6-inch straight Crile Wood Needle Holder. And as you see with these gold handles, it's telling us there's something special about this particular device, and that is tungsten carbide inserts. As we've mentioned on other videos, it can be a little confusing for new technicians. The gold handles themselves are not tungsten carbide. That's just kind of a gold colored, gold plating type, but that is signaling to you on the assembly side that the distal tip, in this case the jaws of the device, have tungsten carbide. And in particular, these are inserts, as you see there. Let's see if we can get a good visualization here. There you go. And you can see the serrations on that needle holder there. There you go. Now, shockingly, there are 3,600 teeth or serrations per square inch on these serrated needle holders. And like a lot of needle holders, there's a lot of activity that happens on those jaws. And so as you're inspecting these devices, keep in mind and pay special attention to those inserts for any cracks or chips along the edge of the insert there, on the very tip of your device. But honestly, anywhere inside of that insert, there's potential for cracking or chipping on that tungsten carbide insert. It's great, you know, tungsten carbide does make it stronger, but it's not unbreakable, right? So anytime you get a pair of needle holders very similar to scissors, there should be a very thorough inspection going on for the tips of these instruments, just because of how they're used. In addition to that, needle holders are notorious for cracking eventually in this box lock area over time, or potentially because of improper use of the device itself. But there's a lot of pressure and torque that's applied on those box lock areas. So on your prep and pack and assembly side, it's a great idea to have some kind of magnification on hand. Lighted magnification is your best option to really look into that jaw section, but then also into this box lock section for any debris, pitting, or cracking and damage, as I mentioned. The final piece of inspection I just want to highlight here are these ratchets. There's a couple of different ways that folks discuss in testing these. You'll see out there to lock on the first ratchet and then tap gently on a flat surface. And then you'll see some folks who recommend you lock and then tap on an open palm. I like to recommend there should be tension on the lock itself, and you should not be able to see light coming directly through those inserts on the tip there, and that's going to tell you that this device is ratcheting and locking appropriately. Now, if you do lock it and you can feel a looseness in the ratchet itself, or it's very easy for it to pop open just through kind of normal handling, then that's a sign that you need to replace that device and take it out for repair. Okay, so that is the Crile Wood Needle Holder. And again, this is a 6-inch with the tungsten carbide inserts and a serrated jaw. As always, thank you for watching another episode of Hello, My Name Is. And until next time, keep fighting dirt.